Hello, we are Group 25, and this is our project, the OKGrader AutoGrader. This is a service provided for students, particularly of CS61A. This is a website where you can look at your submissions and your backups and ultimately see whether or not your assignment's been graded and hopefully your grades. So now we're going to go through the process of submitting. This starts from a student's terminal where they run a command to submit their project. Their project goes through local tests, which they pass or fail. Their work gets backed up, and then it gets submitted to the server. So as it's submitting, we're going to go to our Google App Engine instance. We're going to go to our data store viewer where we can view things like submissions and assignments. We're going to go to the submissions list, and we're going to see it finished grading, and it received a score of 3. So the student did not do very well. So now we're going to look at a feature that we've implemented that allows TAs to go onto their view of this website and grade assignments that have already been in the database and were previously submitted. So they can click this convenient Run AutoGrader button, which sends a request to the server. This process is sandboxed with Docker and protected. And so once again, we're going to go to the data store viewer and go look at this submission. And as you can see, the rest of these submissions have been graded as well.
So now we're going to take a look at our backend, and we're going to go to our pull queue, which is the data structure that we've been using with Google App Engine. And so as you can see, in the pull queue, we have a task that has been leased, as you can see over here. And so each task is given a unique identifier, and if we click on this identifier, we can see information about the submission that is currently in there. So for instance, this is a hog project, as you can see here. Now we're going to go get a look at our log and see that after the grading process, there's an API call back to the server, specifically to the add grade API endpoint that allows the grade to be safely returned and associated with the correct assignment on the server.